to KK.Stuff&Stuff. Legos. We're nuts about Legos. We love Legos. We're Lego loving, crazy, shark bit really your finger people over here.
Doesn't really hurt.
We are going to assemble a Christmas Lego that we got. It does not Christmas, but it was for Christmas. The camper van Lego set.
Wait, no. We have proof. We have proof.
There's a little bit of Christmas wrap still stuck on it. But we are going to assemble this for you today.
Wait, I want to show you how sharp these shark teeth are. Okay, you just pop it open.
Talking about Legos. You broke the shark.
No, I didn't.
We have several different kinds of Legos. We have Lego Friends. We've got Simpsons Legos. We've got Blind Bake Legos. We've got Make and Take Lego Store Legos. We've got Galaxy Quest Legos. Galaxy something space Legos.
Okay,
we have Mixels.
You pop it open and you look. Gosh. And then you take off the dust.
Alright, we are going to build some Legos
in fast forward.
Much fun playing with my girl. Oh, how much fun building Legos. They could build the whole wide world.
Yeah, they could.
Oh, what a beautiful world full of Legos. The end. I'd like to teach the world to build some Legos nice with me. So we're done with book 1 and bag 1, and now we're going to continue on to
book number 2. Mom, look, a little paddle.
Paddle. Give that to one of the guys in the boat.
Paddle person. Here's your paddle. Thank you. I wish you good luck. I wish you good luck too, shark. While she builds, I am playing. Oh, there's 3 paddles. Why 3? Is there a 4th one, or is one like extra?
You get the next piece for me, and I'll go faster.
Okay. What do I need? Go for sides. Do 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 do. Music, boring thing. Building was difficult. Dog kept chewing on pieces. Pushing out my glasses, building together this thing. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Legos are cool and Legos are fun. Yeah, Legos are awesome for everyone. Not just kids, but moms. We all adore the Legos that we bought from the Lego store.
Even the puppy likes to chew on them.
Even the daddy likes to see them.
Even the Steven drip overload.
And my favorite one is the hot dog guy. Oh, Kimmy, can you give me that piece? I really need that piece over there. You need this piece, Mom? Oh, look at the guy. Oh, look at this guy. Do they see the guy? Oh, there's a guy. There's a guy. Mom, look at this guy. Oh, the table's falling down. Whoop, I'm almost done. Kimmy, here he comes. Oh, a couple more pieces. Oh, and we almost have it. Whoa, here we go.
Ugly.
So this is where we store the paddles and the extra life vest in there. And then we're gonna clip it on like that.
Oh, cool. Gonna put this bangy thingy in there.
And we've got the tires on, and then the canoe. Was it? The canoe goes just like that.
But they're on it. Mom, I found out a way for them to get down.
And that is our
No.
finished.
I found a way to help them get down. Okay,
Right.
so you see how these
That's our
thingies
finished
are up?
Lego City camper van
See how
set.
these thingies are up?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna go first.
Watch out for a tower aliens from outer space.
One second. No, wait. Let it go. Like an elevator. Then just slide down.
I'm gonna
Whee!
get my club and I'll protect you.
Come on.
Get his club. I, Ned Flanders, will protect you. I will hit you over the head with my coffee mug. Go away, you evil villain. Oof, oof, oof. Oh, no, he's gonna take me back to my
I'll bang you with my head.
Protect him.
Mm.
Caw-caw, caw-caw.
Mom.
Yeah. Now we're under attack by evil flamingos.
Go!
Oh my goodness, what shall we ever do? Hi-ya! Hi-ya!
Mom.
Brrr, Sally Sue reporting from the skies.
Mom.
Here, let's air vac somebody. I will air vac you to safety. You just have to like close it over his hand. Come on, I'll protect. I'll.
No, wait. Shuffle.
I'm just gonna hold him. There you go. Oh, I don't know what a helicopter makes.
Mom, she's not powerful.
Let's get out of here, guys.
Headbanger! I mean, I have people that like listen to rock music. Like, Mom, you know people that listen to rock music call headbangers.
Yep.
Headbangers!
Headbangers!
Bang!
Thank you for watching our special Lego episode.
Hi.
KK.Stuff&Stuff. Out.
Hi. How dogs attack?